Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about the Elkhart cell phone repair in Chicago. This is basically such a good cell phone repair. So if like you dropped your phone, you cracked the screen and something, you can go there. They fix it for you for a good price. So you're looking for for a phone repair shop in Chicago. Here's what our customers say. There's this guy dumpster rental of Rapids. He says my iPhone had been repaired by three different shops, and I bought it to you as as a last resort. You assured me that it would be fixed, and you were right. It has been on now for 6 weeks without the lines down the screen, and the microphone seems to be working perfectly. Thank you. I shall be recommending others. Okay, so there's this guy, and there's this other guy, Mary Dang. He says they fixed my phone quickly and the price was great. And Kim Smith says it's an excellent service with good Prices. Leland says as I was walking into my garage, I dropped my iPhone. I found Elkhart's cell phone repair online and called their number. They answered quickly and got my information. They were fast, reliable, and reasonably priced. I know I can count on them again to repair any device I need services for. Okay, so this is what the customers say about the website, about the shop, and yeah, pretty much every one of them gave a 5-star rating. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the services. What we offer you is like any problem, almost any problem with any type of cell phone, like Android, Apple, um, or like Samsung, like almost any type of cell phone, like smartphone or yeah. And like if you correct your screen, we can fix it. We can replace your screen for a good price. If your phone is not working for some reason, it's not turning on or something, you just can bring it to us and we're gonna show you. We're gonna check it and see what the problem is, and it's all for a good price. You can contact us. You can find us at Elkhart. Uh, yeah, and you can just go to the website and you're gonna find everything there, contact information, and like um, the address and everything. So you just go to the link in the description, uh, and you click on it. You're gonna go to our website. There will be our mobile phone number and yeah, almost